Hi everyone, it's John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur here, and you're tuned into the J Moore Unboxing Channel. Today on the J Moore Unboxing Channel, we're going to actually unbox the Powerline Wi-Fi 1000 megabits per second by Netgear. Now you're probably wondering, what is this? Well, I'm going to tell you while I'm unboxing it. You might have a place in your home where Wi-Fi doesn't reach, and maybe you've put in a very good Wi-Fi system, but it's not commercial. And you're still having issues, even though you bought a router that's quite a few dollars. There's still places in your house that it might not reach, like your basement or your fourth floor or somewhere else, and it's just that one little nook you can't get to. Well, by using a Powerline extender, you're able to actually plug one end in by your router, taking in the Ethernet cable, and then you could plug another one in at the other end so that you could actually get Ethernet at that location. It uses your wires that your premises electricity flow through to actually feed your Ethernet signal. It doesn't just do that, it also adds a Wi-Fi device, so it will make its own little Wi-Fi area. Pretty cool. Let's open this up. Took off the cellophane. Let's see what we get here. All right, small thing. You get a quick start guide. And again, they have the model that doesn't have the Wi-Fi, and they have the model that does have the Wi-Fi. So here's what you get. You get a Netgear, okay? Basically, this is the part that would go by your router. And right over here is where you'd plug in your cable that goes from your router, bringing your Ethernet into this device. What else do you get in here? What's nice, they actually give you two pretty decent quality patch cables. And what I like about these, I'm not sure if you can see, they actually have the clip on them that's really nice, and they have the boot on them. A lot of the cheap ones you get from manufacturers, they don't have a nice boot. So if you pull them out, they can kind of cause a problem with the wire and actually have it break off over time. So this is molded in, which is a little different than some, but it's still very good because if I pull it in and out, I'm not going to disrupt any of the wires in there. So I like that, that's really nice. And over here, you get the extender, which allows you to actually get the Wi-Fi. So you'd plug one end in by your router, and you would take the one cable plugging it in and the other one into your router. And this one will go anywhere in your house. It has to be on the same service. I've had people before, they buy one and they have multiple electrical services. This usually happens in commercial places, or I had this happen one time, it was actually at a hotel. And they used different circuits on different sides of the hotel, like a whole different panel. And so because of that, it was only going to provide the signal through that panel's electrical. So that's really important. Again, you won't have that happen in homes too much. Some of the larger homes may, if they have two panels, then you would have that problem. And then all you do is you plug this in. There's a little on and off switch. You turn it on, and that's all you need to do. Now, it is ready to go out of the box, but I don't recommend just using it out of the box. Later on, we'll be doing a review of this product, and I'll explain how to set it up and some things you need to be aware of. Again, I'm John C. Morley with the J Moore Unboxing Channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. And remember, if you have a product that you'd like me to unbox, it's real simple. Just go to jmor.com, click on the reach out button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, and then let us know about the product you have. You will have to send it to us, freight already paid, and you'll have to donate the product. We'll do an unboxing, we'll do a review, and we might even ask you to come on the J Moore Tech Talk Show. Again, ladies and gentlemen, I am John C. Morley, and you were tuned into the J Moore Reviews channel. I'll be back real soon with more technology news for you.